Let's talk about CAD AI. I know that some of you here were in SOLIDWORKS, or sorry, 3D Experience World this year. Let me just take a quick look at the participants. Yeah, we got some folks who were there. And the most exciting thing that came out of that was the announcement of basically these two additional AI agents. We have Aura, which is not new. We've had Aura for at least a year now. This was their first foray into a LLM, a large language model, specifically for CAD. And the Aura engine is completely isolated and separated from the other AI tools out there. So it is completely contained, but it's basically like, how do I do this? How do I find a file reference that's missing? How do I extrude a boss, and it will give you information based on the information that SolidWorks has populated into its knowledge base. The other two, however, are a bit more exciting. Leo, this is the Make It Real agent, which is going to be dedicated to actually creating 3D geometry, parametric modeling. And I have a demo of this here that we're going to show very next. But before we do that, the other one is Marie. And you may ask, well, why do they have three of these? Well, it's pretty clever the way they've actually designed or I guess separated these. Leo is your CAD modeler helping with CAD, and then Marie is the sciences expert, where you have material science, material properties, physics, things like that. This is where most of your simulation activity is going to take place using these tools. So they're distinct. They provide different outcomes for whatever you want, but they will exist very soon. We were told that we should have Leo and Marie as soon as July, which means that gives us a little bit of time to play with them and become experts at them. But they're kind of slow rolling it a little bit to make sure that we don't have any speed bumps.